Thanks for joining me for this Illustrator tutorial today. I'm trying to give you some quick wins, so this is a very quick tutorial for Illustrator. Now before we get started, if you want all my tutorials or all my freebies, you have to join my free courses VIP group. You can join at karinagardner.com, click on free VIP and choose courses VIP, okay? All right, let's get started here. I'm in the Workspace that is called layout, and I show you how to change your layout by going through this window called window and going to workspace. Okay, so go check out my tutorials for that. You can find all my tutorials at youtube.com/KarinaGardner. Okay, so today we're going to talk about scaling, and there's regular transformation scaling, right? But I wanted to show you underneath the rotate tool is what you should be showing here. It's just a little arrow that's in a circle. If you click on that and pull out, you will see that there is a menu. There is a scale tool right here, okay? So this is it's a pretty fun little tool. We're going to use a rectangle to show you how to do that. So we're gonna grab this rectangle tool. I'm gonna hold down my shift key and create a box. Now, in order to show you better, I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch my fill and stroke, okay? I'm not gonna do anything else to it. I just wanted to make sure that we had a black square for you to work with. And by the way, to get the square, you have to hold down the shift key. That keeps it proportionate, okay? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my shift key and I'm going to rotate this around, okay? By doing this, I now can create a diamond shape. Now if I hold down the shift key from here and choose my selection tool and hold down my shift key and I go up or down, you can see that it stays a square. It stays proportionate. This is where the magic of the scale works. Now the scale only works on certain tools or certain shapes, so you'll have to play around with it, but this one I really like. So when you click on your scale tool, you can take this side, like the point area, and start pulling in, and you can see that it changes it into that diamond shape. And that's something you can't do if you aren't using the scale tool, if you're just using your transform regular selection tool. Isn't that such an easy way to build a diamond? I really like this because I use this for argyles, I use this for patterns, so it's just a really simple way to create a quick diamond. And that's it. So easy, right, you guys? Okay, make sure and join that Courses VIP group if you want more access to information about my educational programs, my memberships, and of course all the free things that I have on my site. Okay, see ya.